Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening whenever and wherever you are watching this video from. Guys, this is question 17 of 2025 GCE paper 1. Alright, so this is under bearings and is saying the diagram shows 3 points O, P and Q on level ground. Then OPQ, this one is an equilateral triangle. This is a point. We need to take note of that. This is an equilateral triangle, and the bearing of P from or Q from P is 150 degrees. Oh, nice. So, find the bearing of P from O. P from O. So we draw the north where O is here. Okay, and it's already drawn. So we're going to move clockwise up to the line connecting O and what? O and P. Then what is the value of this smaller angle here? So to find this value of a smaller angle, we need to extend this north here, this line like this, all right? So that it forms this Z shape here, alternative angles. This angle here is equal to this angle, all right? So what are we going to do? Remember that this is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle whose sides, all the three sides are equal. So this is 60, even here is 60, and even here, okay, is what? Is 60. Let me just write from here. Is what? 60. Now, if, check this, guys. Then if here, from here up to here is 60, then what is the value? We need to know the value of the angle from north here up to this point. Okay, so we need to add 135 plus 60 degrees. Okay, this is 5, this is 9, 1. So if here is 195, okay, from here up to here is 195, then a straight line is 180. Is 180. What is the value of this one? So we need to subtract 180, this straight line, from 190 so that we have the value of this smaller angle. So we're going to say 195, sorry, not 190, minus 180 degrees. And we're going to have 15 degrees. Okay, 15 degrees. So this is the value of this. So if here is 15, even here is what? 15. Therefore, the bearing of P from O is 0.15 degrees. Remember, bearings are supposed to be written in 3 what? Digits. Okay, so 0.15 degrees. What's the next question? The next question is saying, find the bearing of O from Q. O from Q. So where there's Q here, we're going to draw the north, right, like this. Then draw a line for clockwise up to the line connecting O and what? O and Q. All right, now take note here that this straight line here is 180 degrees. Now what is the value of this angle from here up to this point here? Okay, now we're going to use the value of alternative what? Alternative angles. So this shape, or the Z shape, something like this, this angle which is here is equal to this angle. So the angle from the north here up to this point is equal to this angle. So this is 60 plus 15. Okay, so 60 plus 15 is 70 what? 75. So even here is what? 70 what? 75. Very, very good. So we are going to add 75 plus 180. This is giving us 255 degrees as the answer. 255 degrees. Okay.